Hello, this is Eric RPG again, and we're gonna finish this game and defeat Death and Dracula. Yeah, right now. And I've got a triple shot now. I had to reload my save and... Well, that's new. Pretty much just gotta jump over that. Of course, if he kills you, then... He can be easy to defeat. Of course, I got really close to defeating him. Seems to be completely random what he does. That would be a good time. Throw those up in the air and deploy them. What? Looks like that field just... There we go. Finally defeated him. I know, we've been locked out. Guess we have to go back the way we came in. Or we can take this path. And this music's interesting. Now hold on. There's a special area here. Full restore. Max stock up. And if we didn't have those options, I'm gonna make a new snapshot. Alright. If we didn't have those options, see as the hidden staircase, then they give in to us. So we'd be fully decked out. Now we just gotta beat Dracula. Now standard fare is a little different here. We've gotta throw this shit. Those things drop health when you fight him, so be sure to get them. He'll do it randomly. Yes, why not? The latest one's all the way down there. Yay, thank you for being charitable. I don't know why the game does this, but I guess they realize the fight's actually pretty hard. That's a good way to hurt myself. This is not looking good. I might actually have to load my state here. Yeah, that's when you really want to start using her. I keep forgetting that I have to throw my item with the L button. Yeah, I think I'm doing good work here. This is where the game gets really difficult. He could have given us an extra life power up, but oh well. Shit's getting serious. It's playing Simon's theme again. Oh, that's right. He shoots lightning. And it really freaking hurts. This is why it's so hard. And since I'm so low on health, I'm actually going to save my state here. I'm so close to defeating him. And he's dead. He kind of looked like he had a skull, or maybe he looked like Grandpa from the Monsters. Oh, you pitiful bat. Just die already. And once again, we get to see the castle crumble, and Simon's looking out in the distance. Now they're going to do the roll. Main program, June Furano. Player, programmer, Yaipon. Has to be a nickname. Some of these guys are nicknames. Enemy programmer, Grey R Nita. Enemy programmer, Geek Pow Conons. Or maybe that's GTG. Or CTC. I don't know. Yep, he knows what's up. Kind of. Why does he have the leather whip? Enemy programmer. June Ferrano. Again. She did a nice job with some of the enemies. Some of them were bullshit, though. She might not have worked on those. And Yaipan, again. Maybe Yaipan worked on the more annoying ones. Like that skull guy. Main designer. Niu-kun Hara. It's hard to read them because they're in such ornate English font. VRAM designer. Nya-kun Hara. Nyan-kun, yeah. Cat. Yeah. VRAM designer. S. Kushibuchi. Object designer. Pechi, yeah, okay. Object designer. S. Kushibuchi. Object designer again. Nyan-kun Hara, sorry. Sound designer. Masanori Odachi. Or it's Odachi, because there's two O's. That might be just romanization gone wrong. Yeah, you can throw sub-weapons when you're on that, and that's the only way to attack when you're on that, but there's very few instances where that's sound. And so Jitaro is sound designer. Run, or you'll be well done. Well, in this case, you'll just fall to your death. Probably in that water there, where it's super cold. Super voice, Akun. What the hell is super voice? You mean Simon? When he gets hit and grunts and stuff? Hate you, boss. Total director, June Ferrano. So I guess that means that they were the project lead. Producer, Mr. Kitsuo, I don't know. That was hard to read. I think at this time, Yuji Igarashi worked on the game, but he joined the company, so yeah. Presented by Konami, and I didn't read that last one there, sorry. And if we sit here long enough, we get to play the game all over again, but it's even harder this time. There's really no point though, unless you want the extra challenge. I think there is a separate password set for all the levels that in the expert mode. Yeah, all I have to do is press start and we're here again. So I'm not doing that though, so I hope you enjoyed this LP. It is one of my favorite games from the Super Nintendo era and of all time. But that might be hyperbole, but whatever. But hope you enjoyed it, and starting November, I'm going to take a break for a few days. And I'm going to record ahead of time, I think, and upload them all on the weekend. And probably going to start with... I'm going to see if I can't get a good emulator running and a recording done of a Mystical Ninja starring Goemon. And it's going to be part of the Nutty Nonsense November theme that I'm thinking of. Like games that are like cartoony or something like that. Silly stuff. And I hope you enjoy that stuff as well. See you later. Bye.